Ships are fascinating machines, and understanding how they generate and use electricity is key to grasping their operation. Let's dive right in. At the heart of a ship's electrical system is the main power generation system. This typically consists of diesel generators that convert fuel into electrical energy. These generators are robust and designed to operate continuously, providing the necessary power for the ship's operations. The electricity generated is distributed throughout the vessel, powering everything from navigation systems to crew accommodations. Now, what happens in an emergency? That's where the emergency power system comes into play. This system ensures that critical functions remain operational even if the main generators fail. Emergency generators kick in automatically, powering essential systems like emergency lighting, alarms, and communication devices. This redundancy is crucial for safety at sea. Next, let's talk about the propulsion power system. This is what drives the ship forward. The electricity generated by the main power system can be used to power electric motors that turn the propellers. In some modern vessels, this is done using a system called electric propulsion, which offers greater efficiency and maneuverability. Imagine the precision and control that comes with using electricity to navigate the vast ocean. But a ship isn't just about moving from point A to point B. It has various auxiliary systems that require power too. These auxiliary power systems support operations like heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and even galley equipment. They ensure that the crew and passengers are comfortable and that the ship operates smoothly, even when it's not underway. When a ship docks, it often connects to a shore power system. This allows the vessel to draw electricity from the port's power grid instead of relying on its generators. This is not only more efficient but also reduces emissions while the ship is in port, contributing to a greener environment. It's a win-win for both the ship and the port facilities. Lastly, let's touch on renewable energy systems. Many modern ships are incorporating solar panels and wind turbines to supplement their power needs. These systems harness natural energy, reducing fuel consumption and lowering operational costs. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more innovative solutions in marine energy generation. Understanding these systems is essential for anyone interested in marine engineering or electrical systems. They are the backbone of a ship's operation, ensuring safety, efficiency, and sustainability. If you're passionate about this field, there's a world of opportunity waiting for you. Explore, learn, and consider how you can contribute to the future of marine technology.